Hello, my name is Brent Dahlman. I'm an independent product developer. For 2 years now, I have been working on a solution for drug dispensing errors. These errors occur moments before drugs are administered, when a drug is being selected from a storage cabinet. The first step in a medication error often occurs days or weeks before, when a drawer is stocked incorrectly, or when an unused or multidose vial is returned to the cabinet. One drawer may contain 16 to 20 completely different varieties of medication, or the same kind of medication in varying concentrations. The drawers are divided into a grid of compartments with no identifying qualities other than a letter or number, or a combination of the two. For example, E7. It has been suggested that a medication information sticker would help, but with new medication development and expanding hospitals, it would not be long before a new drug will occupy a compartment that once held a completely different medication. Further compounding the problem are vials that look nearly identical, with very small numbers and letters and names that sound alike. Currently, pharmaceutical companies attempt to distinguish medications by color-coding caps and labels. However, the number of colors is severely limited relative to the number of drugs and relies on humans to accurately differentiate among them. To solve all these issues, I've employed a science known as forced function. Forced function is a physical constraint which makes it impossible for an error to occur. I have employed it exactly where it should be, at the critical moment when a medication is being stocked or retrieved. DIS simply accepts the drug vial or rejects it, letting the clinician know there's a problem. Physical layers of safety are thought of as the gold standard in high-risk environments. Pharmaceutical safety groups have encouraged this specific scientific approach. DIS was designed to work with today's automated drug cabinets that are used widely throughout healthcare facilities. DIS starts with a drawer key that can be attached permanently to the drug-specific space in the grid. That drawer key will mate only with the correct docking station, which will only accept the correct drug key vial. Effectively, the space intended for only one drug and one concentration will only accept that drug and concentration. It can't be stocked incorrectly. The keyed label adds additional surface area, making larger print an option. This is particularly important for small 2 and 5 ml vials. Radio frequency identification, also known as RFID, is a remarkable technology that exists in many products that we use every day. It can track medication from manufacturer to distributor to hospital to patient to ensure it has not been tampered with. Many agree it will become an increasingly important feature to ensure the pedigree of medication and protect patients from counterfeit drugs. Worldwide, drug counterfeiting is a $50 billion problem annually. One of the problems with RFID has been that when the chip is installed directly on the vial, the liquid medication cancels the signal. DIS solves this problem by allowing the chip to be placed on the keyed portion of the label that protrudes from the vial, thereby eliminating signal interference. Electronic patient record system software is a way to link patients to drug about to be administered. These systems alert clinicians to possible dangerous drug interactions, reconcile the dosage of the drug ordered to that being administered, and verify the drug pedigree through barcode scanning. Many high-concentration pharmaceuticals are contained in extremely small, low-capacity vials and don't have the surface area required to contain enough bits of information. Even 2D barcoding and matrix stamps are limited on these products. DIS solves this problem. Hospitals will obviously prefer ordering pharmaceuticals that can be effective in their software systems, regardless of their size. Because of the added area, barcoding is more easily applied. A barcode can also be placed on the docking station for added security. If more complex barcodes are used in the future, DIS will be able to accommodate those as well. The improved organization associated with DIS simplifies drug inventory and restocking. The unexpected advantage is easier product identification. With less handling, healthcare providers can see all the necessary information on the docking station without actually picking up a vial. The docking station also provides more visible opportunity for branding than what's available on small medication vials. Hospitals and healthcare workers are eager to implement measures to protect their patients. Likewise, pharmaceutical companies have the same goal. They want to provide healthcare workers with the tools they need to deliver life-saving and life-improving medications safely. Imagine a hospital deciding between competing pharmaceuticals. One is attached to a physical layer of safety, one is not. One will protect patients, staff, and hospital reputation. One will not. The choice is obvious. Once a drawer key has been installed and established within a hospital, it is likely to stay. It is hard to imagine a reasonable answer as to why this life-saving technology would be removed. This is a strong business advantage. There are many stakeholders in the $500 billion pharmaceutical industry. I want to ensure that the best possible candidate acquires this technology, whether that is a pharmaceutical company, a drug packaging firm, or a group of individuals. United States and international patent protection have been initiated. If you think your company may be interested in ownership of this technology, please contact us at www.drugindexsafetysystems.com. Thank you for your time.